What's up my people, what's up my family, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we want to do more about how to add links or cards on your YouTube videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you will do is you will go to Google app. After clicking on Google, on your right hand or right side, you will have your Google account there with your logo or with your name, with your photo. So you click on it. After clicking on it, you will have manage account. So you'll just click on manage account. Yes, after clicking manage account, you will have the options of home, personal info, data privacy. So we'll just use the second option, which is personal info. Click on it, then it will bring all of your info. So you just scroll down to where your profiles is. So I have 3 profiles, so I'll choose the profile for YouTube. Click on it, then you wait for it to load. Yeah, and there it is. You scroll down. So after scrolling down, we have our channel here. So I'll just click on the arrow pointing down. Yes, after you've clicked the arrow pointing down, it will bring more option. So it will bring this option here of view channel. So you'll just click on view channel. Click on the 3 dots up there. Click on the 3 dots, then you select the option of desktop site like that. After that, wait for it to load. Yes, and there you have your full view of your channel on a desktop site on using your phone. So after clicking on it, you go to the option where there is customize channel. Click on it like that. Then there is option of 3 dots at your right side. Click on it on desktop site. Wait for it to load. So here you will have something like this on your screen. So there are so many options on your left side where your logo is for your channel. So you'll just click on the option where it's written content. So just click on content, your videos like that. You wait for it to load. Yes, and there you have your videos, the videos that you've been making on YouTube. So you just go and select the video that you want to put, and you want to put links or cards onto. So for me, I want to select this video here. That video, the third video. I wait for it to load. Yes, and there you have the video. So after you've clicked the video, on your right hand or right side, on the last option, there's option of the visibility, option of subtitles, option of end screen, and then the last option is card. So you click on that option, then you wait for it to load. You wait for it to load. Don't be in a hurry, you just wait. So here we have our videos. So you will select, or you will forward it to where you want the cards to be. So for me, I'll just click on the video to run like that. Then I'll forward it. You click here, down here there's a place to forward, so you'll just forward to where you want to put the cards, and then I play it again, so that to make sure it is where I want to place the cards. Forward it again.
Yes, it really did a great job, and I can recommend it. If you haven't watched that video,
so that is where I want to put it. So I just click on the video to stop it at that place. So on your left side, the left hand side, you have options of videos, playlist, channel, and links. So for me, I want to select a video, so I'll just have to select where the option of the video is, like that. Wait for it to load. And then I choose the video that I want to put. So I want to put that video. I select that video like that. Yes. After selecting the video, you go and save. Don't forget to save. You save and you wait for it to load after saving. You be patient. You don't need to be in a hurry while doing this. Just be patient. So we're waiting for it to load. Yes, and it is done. So we want to confirm if the cards really came into the video. So I'll just go to my main YouTube channel. I click on YouTube. Wait for it to load. Then I click on my channel over there on your left hand side. Right hand side, sorry. Then you click on your channel. Wait for it to load. Yes, so we go and check if the cards really came. So here is the video that we want to check. So let's check if the cards really came.
Just made that mask.
So we'll have to forward it for us to check. There it is. The job is done. And we are happy we've done it. So thank you guys for watching today's video, and you can subscribe for more of this kind of videos. Thank you so much.